Another variation of getDiff is to pass in this option -- staged, or alternatively cached. They do the same thing, just an alias. Both of them will show us the staged changes, only the changes that are staged. So we've seen how to do all unstaged. We've seen how to do staged and unstaged. Both of these options are how you do only staged changes. Only show me the staged changes. What is the difference between my last commit and the staging area? So I'll show this to you now. If we take a look at git status, the same project is a stretch, but the same repository, changes to be committed, numbers.txt. We added 1 into numbers. Then we have some changes for the colors file. We added violet, but that is not part of the staging area. So right now, if I can type it, getDiff -- and then staged, we only see those changes from numbers because that's the only change. Versus if I do getDiff on its own, this is unstaged changes. So we see colors. And if I do getDiff head, we see both, right? That's everything that has changed. It doesn't care if it's staged or not. And then if I add in colors, so if I do git add colors, now if I do getDiff -- staged, we see both because both of those changes have been staged at this point. Also, we can use cached. For whatever reason, I don't like cached. I call it the staging area. Staged makes more sense to me, but I do believe the docs actually reference cached first and then say staged is an alias of cached. It doesn't matter. All right, so quick quiz here. What will we see? Here's my git status. What will I see if I do getDiff? Think about it. Okay, the answer is nothing. Well, I guess we see end, but there's no changes to display. Because getDiff is showing us unstaged changes, there are no unstaged changes. Everything has been staged at this point. Okay.